Hey everyone, welcome back to the campground, and today let's compare these two earwax cleaning tools. On my left side you'll have the AIFINI earwax cleaning tool, and on my right side you'll have the Jiggoat. So at the basic level, these are essentially the same tool. You connect it to your phone via its internal Wi-Fi, and then through the app you're able to see the inners of your ears. They both have quality camera on them. You can see as I put them up on either side here, what I did is just through my hand you can see the detail in my hand, but you can also see my face on the other side. So you can see that these cameras are quality. Where the difference comes in is how they are packaged or how they're contained. This is essentially what you get in the AIFINI. It's a scope and the tools are on the side. They come in a plastic bag and that's about it. And the bags aren't very good quality, so you can't really keep them with you. So you gotta find a way to store all this stuff. On the flip side of that, this is how the Jiggoat comes. All the tools are contained inside this carrying case, which has a keychain on it. And then the Jiggoat itself has a nice cover on it. So the nice part with the Jiggoat is you can actually take them out of the box, and these can just fit into your pedicure bag or something like that, where you're always going to have these items. So when comparing the two for travel purposes, I have to lean towards the Jiggoat. Other than that, they're essentially the same tool. The apps work basically the same, the connection to the internet works the same, and actually the camera quality is about the same on these. But it just feels like the Jiggoat is a little bit higher quality because they think about how you're going to travel with these items. So at the end of the day, if you're just looking for something to clean your ears, either one of these is going to be fine. But if you're a traveler and you want to make sure that you have everything that you need at all times, the Jiggoat is probably the way to go. So as always, I hope these short reviews and comparisons help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.